Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm here at Riverside Park for my daily heart health run. Got my car parked and I saw something I want to show you. I always love seeing these every year when they begin to flower. I'm forgetting the name. I can remember the very first time I ever saw this kind of flower. It wasn't here. It wasn't in this county, but it was the first time I ever saw them in my life, and they made such an impression on me. It's something about both the color and the shape. And each year I make a video here showing you these in the shadow of what I call the Stargate. I love these. They are so beautiful. Ooh, this one's got a lot of really tiny ants running all over it. Can you see them? I don't think I've seen that before. Let me look again. Let's see if I can find that. See, this one's already kind of gone by. There it is. These two side by side. Look at all the really tiny ants on it. What are they doing? You'll always find something new if you just look. Steve AB4L, just loving nature, saying see you in 73.